We are in ENGIMACH, and I represent the AceMicromatic Group. We are one of the largest manufacturer of CNC machines. In this exhibition, we are actually displaying overall integrated solutions, both in turning, machining, and also automation. The uniqueness of AceMicromatic is that we provide solutions across industries, across sectors, not just machining machines, but also IoT solutions. And then in our stall this time, we have a very specific focus on education sector. We are having two machines of EduTurn and EduMill, specifically targeting to the education sector. It's a very compact machine, can be actually used for all our technical training institutes. And what you see just behind this V is about the machine called as a compact turn mill. This is one of the very compact, having about 12 station turret along with the live tools, capable of machining a lot of turning components, and also giving you total solutions related to the turning and milling operations. To cater to our MSME sectors, we also actually integrate our own front-loading automations. We have our jobbers, which is integrated with a simple automation, front-loading automations for a very high volume manufacturing.